guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blend two videos on CapCut PC. So I have this video of a coffee and I want to add like a scenery in that kind of coffee cup. I'm just going to select this video right here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Then I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select the circle one, and I will just create a circle mask here. Then I'm going to feather that out a little bit so it blends in more with the coffee. Then if you just go back to basic, go to blend mode here and select whichever one you think seems the best. Maybe this overlay one looks really good because it kind of blends in with the coffee, or maybe the soft light even blends it even more. Keep saying even for some reasons. Or this multiply one looks good as well, so it looks like it's in the coffee cup. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!